Hi there! The Pro is back from the Noise Factory and it just got smarter. Here is the Noise Colorfit Pro 3 Assist. The biggest feature to this one is that it comes now with built-in Alexa support. Of late, a lot of smartwatches are adding this to their watches, and why not? It's kind of cool, but more than that, it helps you do so many things right from your wrist. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and see how it performs. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging of the Colorfit Pro 3 Assist. You can see the Alexa logo right here. Towards the back, a list of all of its features, which we'll cover more in detail in this video. It's a smoke green color, and you can see there's a new app here. It's called the Noise Assist. It's available for Play Store for Android and the App Store for iOS. The QR code to scan for that app. All right, let's unbox it. So we have some paperwork, register for your warranty card, and you have a user manual for the Colorfit Pro 3 Assist in English. Then right on the top is the watch. Ooh, I love this color. And a standard magnetic charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. Wow, the green strap actually looks nice. Let's remove the sticker. Wow, beautiful square dial. The sides have this lovely matte silver finish. Though they're made of polycarbonate, but the build quality is really nice. Towards the side is a single button with a red accent in the center. And right here you can see the microphone. There you go. Now this is something that we didn't see on the previous variant of the Colorfit Pro 3, and we finally have it in the Assist for Alexa. Towards the back are all the sensors, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals. And as you bring this charger closer, it magnetically aligns and starts charging. Simple and clean. Talking about the straps, strap quality is really good, soft silicone material. You have the Noise branding here, really nice buckle design, and these straps can also be swapped with any 22mm bands. There you go, simple hook mechanism, very convenient. So the build quality is really impressive. Now let's turn it on, pair it, and see how it performs. To pair the watch, you have to download the Noise Assist app from your Play Store. You can choose to log in or simply skip. Make sure your watch is turned on. You'll see the watch name show up, click confirm on the watch, and you'll be done in a couple of minutes. Coming to the display, 1.55-inch LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 360 pixels. The display is super crisp and probably one of the sharpest at this price point. It's vibrant and also gets really bright enough to use outdoors. The watch also comes with auto brightness feature, which means it changes the brightness as per the lighting conditions. However, you can set it manually in the settings as well. The raise the wrist to wake the display is just okay. Worked every time though, without fail, but it wasn't the quickest. Coming to the biggest upgrade to the Pro 3, built-in Alexa. So now you can ask it for general trivia questions, you can ask it for the weather, you can ask it for conversions from dollar to rupees or inches to centimeters. There is so much more you can do. Above all, you can voice control Alexa smart devices, which is something I use a lot and it's very helpful. You can swipe right on the watch display to trigger Alexa, or just press and hold the button on the side for 2 seconds. Very easy. You'll need to set it up once from the Noise Assist app. The process is very simple. All you need is to log in with your Amazon credentials. Follow the steps and you're done. I've said this before, for those who must be confused, you don't need any Prime membership for this to work, just Amazon login details. Also, to use this, make sure that your watch is connected to the phone, the watch needs to be around the phone, and your phone must have access to the internet. That's it. Then the watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating, so wearing it in the shower or for a swim is perfectly fine. And yes, it comes with swim tracking as well. Then the watch comes with 300 mAh battery and noise claims 5 to 7 days. Now I'm assuming that is with heart rate sensor turned on and notifications, so expect it to last for a week. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the watch from 0 to 100%. Then it comes with 14 workout modes: running, walking, cycling, hiking, yoga, gym workouts, swimming, and even elliptical training. I wore it for a run a couple of times and the tracking was quite accurate. It displays the time, heart rate, pace, calories burnt, and distance. One of my favorite features was Autosport's recognition, which you can toggle on and off in the Noisefit app settings. It's only available for walking and running, which I believe is something most of us ideally use their smartwatch trackers for. So now you don't have to worry about turning on walking or tracking workouts manually every time. So let's have a quick look at the interface. Press and hold on the home page to change wallpapers. Now these are a couple of pre-installed ones, really nice. Here's one that I installed from the Noise Assist app. You can choose any picture from your phone gallery. Really easy. Swipe from top to access notifications. Swipe from down to access quick toggles, do not disturb, raise the wrist, brightness levels, and find my phone. Swipe here to access Alexa. Swipe on this side to access your steps, beats per minute, stress levels, outdoor walking, and if you click on more, you can access all your workouts. Coming back, press this, you go to home page, press this again to access the menu. In goals, it will show you all the activities that you have done. Sports modes, all your sports modes here. Heart rate, Alexa, blood oxygen levels, stress levels, sleep tracking, weather, music player, breathe app, alarms, stopwatch, timer, find my phone, records, and settings. In settings, you have an option to toggle the raise the wrist awake. You can turn it on or off. There's do not disturb. There's a flashlight. You can click on it. The screen lights up white. You can use it as a flashlight. More watch faces, brightness levels, power off, restart, reset, about, and help. So overall, a really easy to use interface. You receive call alerts with vibration and it's almost instantaneous. It shows you the caller's name and an option to reject the call. Sadly, there's no way to silence the ringer. I really wish it had it. It's always very helpful. Similarly, you receive notification alerts. You can see the app icon and the sender's name. I noticed a delay of 2 or 3 seconds, but it's not a deal breaker. Alright, let's have a quick look at the Noisefit Assist app. So right on the top, you can see the steps, you can see the distance, calories burnt. Here you can see the training workout, all the details about it. Then you have the heart rate, stress levels, SpO2, and weight. In training, you can actually even use your phone's GPS with your watch to map your workout more accurately. In device here, you can see that the Noise Pro 3 Assist is connected. Here's a watch face market from where you can download more cloud-based watch faces. If you go in here, it shows you more detail, the battery percentage connected, the steps. The same watch face market is accessible from here. Health monitoring, app health. From here you can set alarms. From here you can turn on or off call reminders. Then you can set up Alexa from here. In message notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Smart Sports, which is for automatic sport recognition. Device settings. In device settings, you can disable, enable do not disturb. Find my phone, music control, lift your wrist to turn on the screen, weather notification, automatic brightness, shortcuts, multi-sports mode, restart the device, and factory reset. And if you come into the settings here, you can actually even share your data with Strava and Google Fit, which is amazing. So if I had to nitpick the cons, I would have loved to see built-in GPS, but sadly this one doesn't have one. Hopefully we'll be seeing that with the Colorfit Nav Assist. That would be really interesting. Okay, so with built-in Alexa, the Colorfit Pro 3 Assist makes for even more compelling buy. It's got a really good big display with one of the highest resolution at this price point. 14 workout modes, SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor, auto workout, and so much more. Easily recommended. You can buy the Colorfit Pro 3 Assist for $3,999 on Amazon and the Noisefit website. It's available in a variety of colors. By the way, this is just an introductory price for a couple of days, so grab one as soon as possible. I'll leave the links for all in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.